Some sit back and say, it may be too hard. To break old addictions, restore the climate's balance, and invent ways of living that won't put us all at risk. But we choose to act. To see a global challenge as an opening for global change. By using the limitless energy nature bestows, helping the oceans to heal, and safeguarding the wild places that remain. By recognizing that whatever we put into the world becomes part of us. It is a matter of choice and courage. To find common ground with uncommon allies. To use our ingenuity for a higher purpose. To hold future generations as dear as our own children. And to fight for them, no matter who is on the other side. Because some fights are too important to lose. We are NRDC, and together, we will win.